What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Cool Kicks. We are back for another video. Came to the Citadel because I ain't been here in a while. Let's go see what's up. All right, let's go. Let's go. All right, of course it is packed as hell. They do have a little heat wall. Curious to see what the heat wall is. I don't want to really stand in line though. I'm getting some creeper cam action. Do see some Jordan 3 reimagined, but I think those are grade school because they're pretty small. Damn, I see dunks, a couple of J's, like what are those, the Kawhi 6s? Or no, those are dunks in the bottom. Do I see a pair of Toro 5s right there? I did, people. I think those are the Mars Yards. The Mars Yards, that makes sense. I got some Aqua 5s on the bottom. I do see some Cortez. Are those the Cloud Cortez? Nothing too crazy though, nothing too crazy. But if we do see that there, that means that they're trying not to give a bunch of discounts on Jordans. Because historically, most of that's just gone to the clearance section, but no, not here. And I see why, because this place is always busy no matter what. So they're trying to maximize profits, I guess. Just interesting. Yeah, because it is an outlet. You would think they'd just be trying to get rid of everything. Dude got 20% off the hash wall right here. All right, we are starting out with the size 8s, like the smaller section. That's an 8.5, but they do got these in 8s as well. Dude got the Jordan 36 Lucas. Look at that price, man. Holy cow. This outlet is definitely different than it used to be. We used to get all kinds of steals. Now, like, it's just, and everything's retail, like, you know, slight discounts. All right, 6.5. I don't know why this is right here, but yeah, dude got the Air Max 90s going for retail. 95s going for $160. Got so many tourists and stuff, they just know they're gonna sell it even if prices are high as hell here now. It seems like you used to find all kinds of steals, not really seeing them anymore. Air Max 97s go for $140. I haven't been here forever. It seems like these were in the aisles because see these in all kinds of sizes. 8. I've seen them up to size 10. We'll see that in a few seconds. The Air Max 90, some premium stuff right here, size 8.5. Materials on these are hella nice. Holy crap. And it's a size 8.5, but it is retail. Guess you get 20 off, but that's it. I think I'm in like close to the size 10s already, size 9.5 right here. Witness 6s. These bad boys go for $100. Really? Golly, everything is regular price pretty much. God dang, like the smallest little discounts. Hirachis go for 90. Flight 95s. These bad boys go for $120. This is a size 10. Trainers, we've been seeing these for hella cheap. $90 here. Infinity Run Flyknit 2s go for $130. This is a pretty cool find because you can get that for retail. The Jordan 3. What is this? The Jordan 3 Hydro. What the hell is it called? The white cement Hydros. Guess you could get this for a slight discount here, 20% off. Still a little high though, man. Still a little high. I swear I have this at home. Is this one that was released from way back when, or did they just remake these? I'm gonna have to check my date at home and compare it to this. Yeah, this is 2022. Mine was like a 2017 or something. Okay. Dude got some dunks right here, 11.5. Go for retail though. Yeah, this is a size 10. There have been a ton of these. And more of these. The Vapor Max, what these going for? $179.99, size 10. 2017s, 11. Go for $165. I've had a few people say what's up. Hey, thanks for saying what's up. Thanks for supporting the channel. Definitely appreciate y'all. I didn't get everybody's name. My apologies. But Air Max 97s go for $100. 20% off. Raiders color right here. That might be one of the better deals. Air Max 90s right here. Oh, I was like, I've never seen these canvas ones because it's a Nike by you. But yeah, it's retail though, man. And the retail they charge a premium, so it's like $160 or something. So Infinity Run Flyknit 3, size 13, going for $95. Zion 2s $120, size 12.5. Monarch 4 Premium. Is this the one that's like limited supposedly according to some people? Y'all know I'm still not messing with it, but it is different. Saw somewhere in the comments someone mentioning these are more rare than the other ones. 11.5, $60 for these. Size 14 if you can grab these for a steal because it's in the wrong box. See if they can hook you up with a good deal on that. Who knows what the price is. Do you got a ton of these out here? Oh, okay. So maybe not retail, 85. That could be extended size pricing. Yeah, just ask them. Ask them if you don't know. More size 14 LeBron 2s right here. Huge fan of these. Definitely gonna be wearing these throughout the summer. 105. So these are what, 80, 85, $84. That's a solid deal. Yeah, that's cheaper than what I got mine for. So it looks like there are some steals. That's cheaper than what I got mine. I got mine for 100, I believe. The Air Max TWs go for 50 bucks. Next Nature, Pegasus Turbo Next Nature is going for 125, size 13. All right, I think that's pretty much about it in the clearance section. Look at the crowd here. Crowd is insane, man. I'm trying to show you guys the aisles. Dude got the 7s here. Of course, limited sizing up to size 10. Got these Jordan slide, Jordan, ooh, PSG. Okay, got plenty of these. Then just got some generic J's right here. I'm gonna see how much of this I can show you guys, and then yeah, I'm gonna hit up the Reebok outlet. Giannis Immortalities, bunch of colorways. I think 6 colorways total. I swear I haven't seen this place get this packed in a while, but bunch of tourism, man. Tourism is back, I guess. It's crazy because the lines aren't crazy, but yeah, just the crowds. Soldiers, LeBron 9 low LeBron Palmers. Okay, that's the cheapest we've seen that. Zoom Freak 4s, Air Max 270s. We just saw these at Watts. Air Max 95. These are an SE. Another special edition right here. Air Max 97 NBs. What the heck? NB2s. Don't really know what that is, but okay. Look at the price on this one. Not bad. Decent materials on these. Blazer lows. Air Flight 89, Air Max 97 OGs. You did get the OG box as well, Jordan 11, Jordan 12 box. Air Force 1 mids, Air Max 90s, another one of those. Air Force 1s, Air Flight 89s, Blazer lows. I think I already showed you guys those Blazer lows. All right, get them twice. Pegasus 37s, 39s, Vapor Max 2021 Flyknits. Multiple Vapor Max. Wow. I was like, what? Air Force? No, these are freaking Court Vision, Canvas. And dude got a couple Witness 6s here. Yo, these crowds are insane. Each aisle's like that as well. Like everywhere I go. Clothing, I don't even see any extra discounts. Oh, got decent prices though. T-shirts go for 13. LeBron shirts 45 down to 27. No extra discounts. Like the crowd is just insane. I'm telling you, I haven't seen crowds like this in a while. Deals are kind of mediocre too. You know what? Instead of focusing on this spot, I think I'm gonna go to the Reebok outlet. That's what I'm gonna do. It's just too crowded here. All right, this spot is freaking insane. I try not to hit them up, especially on Saturday or Sunday. You can like see the lines right there. There's like lines for, I don't know if it's for food or something, but there's lines right there. Yeah, this place is crazy. All right, let's go see what we can get anyways. I'm gonna try to hit up the Reebok outlet, and I'll try to do another video trying to get you guys information about some of the other outlets. Let's go. Damn, New Balance with the line? They got a VIP line like that? Holy cow. Really? And it's just buy one, get one 50% off and 30% off clearance. Like nothing too crazy. Damn. All right, we're doing Reebok up to 60% off store wide. Let's go. More discounts here. Another 50% off. Okay. Do got my favorite aisle right here. Is this the Eagles colorway? Of the questions right here. Do get them 50 off. They do go up to size 12 right now. Hopefully they're here. I don't see these running out too quick. Do got the Pump Iversons right here. Identity Crisis like a mug right here. Definitely interesting. Do got the questions right here going for $80. This one goes up to size 10. Got some answers. Who's this collab with? Oh, the Jurassic Park collab right here. Okay, damn, 2 bills, licensing that much dough, I guess. Damn, dude. up to size 13. Shaq Attack LSU colorway. Man, that's what's up. That's what's up. Size, they got a few sizes here and there. Size 9.5, 10.5, 13. Shaq Attack Street Fighter colorway. Man, and the box is what's dope. Several of you guys mentioned how dope the box is. I do agree. Man, $100 for that. Do you guys want me to cover all these? Like a bunch of generic stuff, the Nano Flex, that type of stuff. I've never seen anybody mention in the comment section, so I've kind of skipped all those. Let's check out the clearance section, see what's up over here. Checking out the 10.5 of course first. Do got some Club C Revenge right here. $100. I think it's 50% off, so $50 after the sale. Got some classic leather, size 9 in this section right here. 85, so is that $42.50? That's, I don't know, it still seems like a little bit for this because we've seen some of those on sale big time. Workout Plus right here, down to 70, so 35. Then just a bunch of generics, some Solutions right here, Reebok Solutions, going for $80, but everything else pretty generic stuff, the Nanos and stuff. Go to the smaller section. Do got some question mids going for $80 after the discount. Not bad. Size 9. These have been here for months and months and months and months and months. Probably like, I would say at least 6 months minimum. These have been here. I don't even know what the heck these are, but $25 ticket. If it's $12.50, those have been here. I wouldn't be surprised if they've been here for 6, 7, 8 months. Looney Tunes collab with the Nano 2's $135. That's a size 9.5. Club C. These are the Joker ones. They have a ongoing collab with DC. So they have a bunch of these. Or a bunch of collabs with them. But yeah, these go for $100. Size 9.5. This is a pretty dope find. This is pretty dope. I wouldn't get it. I'm not like a huge DC fan, but I know plenty of people are. Got some classic leathers going for $75, 9.5. The Zig Tech one, the Zig Wild Trainer 6s, 8.5, go for $85. Did forget to show what you guys what I am wearing. I'm wearing the Jordan 3 Mochas. Pretty freaking clean. I did clean them recently and just, man, they're just fire. Still hella white. And then just wearing some shorts, t-shirt, that's about it. Checking some of the bigger sizes, size 11. Got one of these bad boys, going for $100. A Lakers colorway right here with the Club C Revenge, going for $65. Size 13. Some old school Reebok. I don't know what the hell these are even called. The Royals. The Royal Glide Ripples going for $55. Size 12.5. Workout Plus going for $70. Size 13. Even checking up top, not really seeing much. Got some Insta Pump Furies right here, which I'm not too into. $150. 250 off. Then look at how thin the aisles are. Oh my goodness, like if there's multiple people here, just impossible. But yeah, that's pretty much about it. Not the craziest trip. I guess it's been a while since I've been to Citadel because of this. There's just really not too much right now. This section right here is pretty fire. I'm not gonna, that's pretty fire. I'm not even into these, but those two pretty dope. The Shacks, if you're into those, be able to get that for under $100, $90 for that, $100 for that. That's not too bad. But I think that's pretty much about it. I think I'm gonna wrap it up, man. Wrap it up. Citadel not really popping too much. Get 40% off of this stuff, so $50 you do get 40% off. So what's that, $30? It's not too shabby. Not too shabby. I do need like some Reebok here though. I do need some Reebok. Yeah, I think I'm gonna get stuff in the summer. It is already too hot to wear sweaters anyways, or sweatshirts, so I think I'm gonna grab some of this stuff in the summer. Hopefully the price goes down a little bit more. All right, we're done. Let's go. Some of y'all have told me that you guys want to start a YouTube channel. Y'all thinking about whatever. Let's talk about some of these, some of the pains that we have to go through. It's what, 12:15 a.m. I've already edited this video. I've already uploaded it twice. I've re-edited, uploaded it, because there's copyright issues. So I had to re-edit. I had to take another portion out. I have to re-render it again. So each time it renders, it takes, what, 42 minutes? 42 minutes, so that's what, over 2 hours just to process this video and upload it. And that's after I got my computer upgraded. If I still had my old computer, each of these would have taken an hour and a half to render. Man, that's that YouTube life right there. Yeah.